This week, we take a look back at the most popular bus and motorcoach news stories of 2022. We begin the countdown with number 10 story. Prevost to end New York manufacturing operation. Number 9. Safety tips can help bus drivers handle winter driving dangers. Number 8. Academy Bus to pay $20.5 million in fraud lawsuit settlement. At number 7, the Jet takes innovative approach to New York City to DC Motorcoach service. Number 6, CEO of FlixBus USA looking for operator partners in key markets. At number 5, how Prevost helped Dixieland Tours solve an industry challenge. At number 4, new training requirements for CDL drivers go into effect in February. At number 3, goodbye Greyhound, hello Megabus. Trailways of New York announces new partnership. The second best read story of 2022 was Remembering John Madden's love of motorcoach travel. And the most read bus and motorcoach news of the year was MCI to close plant in North Dakota. This video is sponsored by busrates.com, the original anti-broker website, so no one gets between you and your customer. Make busrates.com your business building partner today. From all of us at Bus and Motorcoach News, we wish you happy holidays and look forward to bringing you more industry stories in 2023. And that's your Motorcoach Minute.